Welcome back, heroes! Today, we're diving into the world of Marvel Rivals to explore one of the most iconic characters in the Marvel Universe, Captain America. Captain America, also known as Steve Rogers, is a vanguard hero in Marvel Rivals. Enhanced by the Super Soldier Serum, he uses his vibranium shield and extensive combat training to confront any threat to justice. Let's review Captain America abilities in Marvel Rivals. Captain America's primary fire ability in Marvel Rivals is called Sentinel Strike. This ability allows him to get up close and strike enemies with his shield. When Captain America lands the second hit, it enables a shield throw that can ricochet up to 4 times. This makes Sentinel Strike a powerful tool for keeping enemies under constant pressure. The shield throw can automatically target enemies near the crosshair, ensuring that Captain America can effectively harass the enemy backline. The melee attack deals 40 damage, while the flying shield deals 45 damage. Captain America's ultimate ability in Marvel Rivals is called Freedom Charge. When activated, Captain America holds his shield high and carves a path forward, granting both himself and allies along the path continuous bonus health and movement boosts. The ability creates a spherical spell field with a 4-meter radius around Captain America and a spell area with a width of 4 meters along the path. Upon casting, Captain America gains 150 bonus health and grants allies 100 bonus health. Every second afterward, he gains 100 bonus health and grants allies 60 bonus health. Additionally, Freedom Charge provides a 30% movement boost to both Captain America and his allies, making it an excellent tool for both offense and defense. Captain America's leading dash ability in Marvel Rivals is a versatile mobility tool that boosts his speed and enables him to perform a fearless leap. When activated, leading dash increases Captain America's movement speed by 33.4%, allowing him to quickly traverse the battlefield and reposition himself strategically. The fearless leap component of this ability grants him a higher jump, reaching up to 5 meters in height. This leap can be used to engage enemies from unexpected angles or to escape dangerous situations. Additionally, while leading dash is active, Captain America can perform a Super Soldier Slam, a diving attack that knocks enemies up, providing crowd control and disrupting enemy formations. Captain America's Vibranium Energy Saw ability in Marvel Rivals allows him to hurl his energy-charged shield to strike enemies in a path. This single-cast projectile can ricochet off up to 3 enemies, making it an effective tool for disrupting enemy formations. The shield starts with a base damage of 70, but each ricochet reduces the damage by 20%. With a maximum distance of 25 meters and a projectile speed of 60 meters per second, Vibranium Energy Cell ensures that Captain America can engage enemies from a distance and maintain pressure on the battlefield. Captain America's Liberty Rush ability in Marvel Rivals is a powerful forward dash that allows him to charge into enemies with his shield raised. This single cast ability deals 30 damage to enemies in its path and has a dash distance of 12 meters. Liberty Rush is particularly effective for quickly repositioning on the battlefield, engaging enemies, or escaping dangerous situations. The ability has a cooldown of 10 seconds, making it a versatile tool for both offense and defense. Captain America's Super Soldier Slam ability in Marvel Rivals allows him to perform a powerful aerial attack. When activated, Captain America leaps into the air and slams down onto the targeted area, dealing 30 damage and launching enemies into the air. This ability is particularly effective for disrupting enemy formations and creating opportunities for follow-up attacks. The Super Soldier Slam has a maximum horizontal distance of 20 meters and a cooldown of 12 seconds, making it a versatile tool for both initiating engagements and escaping dangerous situations. Captain America's Living Legend ability in Marvel Rivals allows him to raise his shield and deflect incoming projectiles, sending them ricocheting in random directions. This ability is channeled, meaning Captain America can maintain it as long as he holds the shield up. The shield can deflect projectiles at 50% damage, including ultimates like Iron Man's invincible pulse cannon. The shield can also block certain area of effect ultimates, such as Namir's Horn of Proteus, if aimed directly down. However, the shield cannot block splash damage from abilities like Iron Man's Repulsor Blast. The ability has a cooldown of 1 second after the shield is lowered, and if the shield is destroyed, the cooldown is extended to 5 seconds. The maximum shield value is 400, and it recovers at a rate of 50 per second, with a 2-second delayed recovery after release. Captain America's Charged Aegis ability in Marvel Rivals is a team-up enhancement that occurs when he is paired with Thor and Storm. When activated, Thor infuses Thorforce into both Storm and Captain America, granting them an electrifying enhancement. For Captain America, this enhancement boosts his movement speed and imbues his shield with thunder power, allowing it to electrocute nearby enemies. The ability lasts for 6 seconds and has a cooldown of 20 seconds.
Quite the power, sir!
In Marvel Rivals, Captain America excels as a vanguard hero, utilizing his extensive combat training and iconic vibranium shield to lead his team to victory. His gameplay revolves around a combination of offensive and defensive abilities that allow him to control the battlefield and protect his allies.
What am I? Invisible?
In addition to his combat prowess, Captain America embodies the ideals of courage, honor, and unwavering determination. As a symbol of hope and resilience, he inspires his allies to stand firm in the face of adversity.
I'll be shipshape in no time.
Focus on the battle.
Our enemies are near. Hello there. Long-range shooters. Susan. Take this. Boost I needed.
His leadership and tactical acumen make him a formidable force on the battlefield, capable of turning the tide of battle with his strategic decisions and rallying cries. Overall, Captain America's gameplay in Marvel Rivals is characterized by his ability to balance offense and defense, making him a versatile and formidable hero on the battlefield. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Marvel Rivals content. Until next time, stay heroic.